Hi everyone, you're watching Math Tech 15. In this video, we'll see one of the most important topic of the class 12th and PUC second year, that is the inverse trigonometric function. And in this video, we'll see the principal value branches along with their domains and the ranges, and we will solve some questions also. And if you recall back, we studied the trigonometric functions in the class 11th, and we studied the domains and the ranges of the trigonometric functions, and we studied the set of formulas like standard angles, allied angles, and the identities, multiple angles. We study the set of formulas, and in this class 12 we will study about the inverse trigonometric function. And the inverse, this word inverse, you already heard in the previous chapter, then relations and functions. This is one of the trigonometric functions. This is also functions only. Inverse exists only if it is the function is bijective. Bijective means 1 1 and on 2. Okay, then only the inverse will exist. In this video we are studying the inverse trigonometric function. We are going to study here inverse trigonometric function. Is all the trigonometric functions are 1 1? Okay, let's check first that. So let's see here. This is the graph of sin x here, sin x function. Okay, now just see here, what is sin 0 value? What is sin 0? Sin 0 value is sin 0 only. What is sin pi value? That is also 0. What is sin 2 pi value? That is also 0. And what is sin minus pi? That is also 0. And sin of minus 2 pi, that is also minus 0 only. So what is this meaning? So if you take the domains as a 0 pi, if the inputs are 0 pi 2 pi, then you will get the ranges. Output here 0 only. Sin 0 is also 0. Sin pi is also 0. Sin 2 pi is also 0. This is the domain, and this is the range. Is it 1 to 1 1 function? No, it's not 1 1 function. It will become as a many 1 function because the multiples of inputs have the same output. Then it is called as the many 1 function, not 1 1 function. So how it is possible to find out the how it exists inverse trigonometric function? That's the reason we will take the one part of the graph which is 1 1, which satisfies the 1 1 function. So we will take the one restricted part of this whole graph. Okay, so which one we need to select? That is the important. Okay, we have to select from 0. We should compulsory we need to include here 0 to pi. Is it possible? We have to check. Otherwise pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, we need to check here. Just see here, if I take the restricted domain as a 0 to pi, okay, in between 0 to pi here, if whatever the some value here, 30 degree, whatever this, that this value and this value having the same y value here, so same output, we are getting the same outputs because it's coming like curve shape. So in this portion you will get the same value of y. So it's not possible to take the 0 to pi. So which one we have to take here? Restricted domain minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. For the different domains we have the different ranges, codomains, different outputs. So our restricted domain will become here minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. What is the range here? Range will come here minus 1 to 1 only. The values is coming here, y values minus 1 to 1 only. Now see here, I wrote already in the natural sin x function, what are the domain will come here? R. All the real numbers will come, and the ranges is here minus 1 to 1 only. See the graph here. See the graph. Just see the graph here. Your wave is coming. It's not more than 1 and not less than minus 1. So it is in between minus 1 to 1. So range is here minus 1 to 1. What is a restricted domain here? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Why we took the restricted domain? Why? Because to satisfies the 1 1 condition. That's the reason. So range will come here minus 1 to 1. So now we can easily, the inverse will exist here because it satisfies the 1 1 function. Injective it will satisfy. So sin inverse equals to here, the inverse trigonometric function sin inverse domain is becomes here the range of the sin x, that is the minus 1 to 1. It will reverse. Okay, range will become here domain and domain will become here range. So sin inverse x domain will become here minus 1 to 1. It's a closed bracket. Why? Because it has the value minus 1 and it